The NP231 regular transfer case that comes in TJ's if it's not a Rubicon. So there's a drain plug and a fill plug. They both require a T55 Torx bit. So there's a hard way and easy way. Hard way is you can take off the whole skid pan and drain it properly. Or if not, you can just remove these bolts and it'll drain through the bottom of the skid pan. You just put a catch bin down there. And then all you need is a bottle pump to fill this back up, which I'll show in a second. And so what it takes is ATF plus 4. I got it right here. Just the automatic transmission fluid that you can get pretty much anywhere. It takes 1.1 quarts of this. And then when you're going to pump it back in, you just need a bottle pump. As you can see, I've already got hooked up here on something else I'm using it for, but all it is like it screws on, then you can pump fluid to get it back into that fill hole. Yeah, and that's pretty easy. If you want to get really technical while installing your transfer case fill and drain plugs, you use a torque wrench and put them to 20 foot-pounds.